In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record games using Steam's inbuilt recorder step by step, so you can start capturing your gameplay quickly and easily. This is a great option if you want a simple recording setup without installing extra software, and it works really well for saving clips or full sessions depending on how you configure it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on Steam. This opens the main Steam menu where you can access the different settings and features built into the platform. From the menu, select Game Recording from the left side. This is the section where Steam lets you control how gameplay recording works. If you don't see it right away, take a second to look through the options in the settings area until you find it. Now you'll see the recording options. If you want Steam to automatically record your game in the background while you play, turn on the Record in Background button. This is the easiest option if you want everything saved without having to manually start recording each time. It's especially useful if you want to go back later and capture a moment you didn't expect. If you prefer more control, you can turn on the Record Manually option instead. With this enabled, Steam will only start recording when you press Ctrl plus F11. That means you can choose exactly when to begin recording, which is great if you only want certain parts of your gameplay saved. You can also decide whether you want to use background recording, manual recording, or both depending on how you like to create content. If you're just getting started, background recording is often the simplest way to make sure nothing gets missed. But if you want more control over storage and file size, manual recording may be the better choice. After choosing your preferred setting, make sure everything is saved and then launch the game you want to record. If you selected background recording, Steam should begin capturing automatically once your game starts. If you selected manual recording, just press Ctrl plus F11 when you're ready to begin. That's really all there is to it. Steam's built-in recorder makes it easy to record gameplay without needing complicated editing software or extra tools. Whether you're recording highlights, testing game performance, or creating content for YouTube, this feature gives you a quick and convenient way to save your gameplay. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech and gaming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.